So this is about it then. This is all we've got left from the car. This is what's known as a flat six.
Yes.
It's amazing, lads. I mean, the knowledge you must have. I mean, it's as old as me, this, 77 years old. You used to put them in tanks, didn't they, if you remember?
They put them in everything, yeah. Trucks to the lot, everything. You know, we cleaned all the gunk off it, and that man over there is responsible. This is Phil.
Phil!
Hello.
Oh, super job, Phil, on this. Look at it. Gosh.
Where did you start? I mean, when you saw it in the...
Just on the outside and just working, basically. As every piece comes off, every bolt that's come out the engine, they all have to go back in their own place here. Strip the engine, inspect it, clean that. And then the next piece, and we just keep going from that and stripping and cleaning as we go through it.
This then is good enough to work on and take forward.
Oh, yes,
So,
yeah.